Introducing the new TM-T88VII high-speed POS printer from Epson. With printing speeds at up to 500 millimeters per second, makes it 1.4 times faster than the TM-T88VI. Offers peace of mind even when used in quiet environments. It maintains the same footprint as its predecessor to simplify replacement. And the compatible printer driver keeps things simple. The multi-interface arrangement opens up a wide range of communication possibilities, making it compatible with a wide variety of systems. Offering the convenience of PC POS printer communication via USB connection and Wi-Fi, using the optional Wi-Fi dongle. NFC can also provide an easy connection. You can print from either a PC or a tablet using a single shared printer. Multiple interfaces offer flexibility for device integration, like controlling a customer display using a PC or tablets. Provide your customers with an enhanced in-store experience. Web application provides printing support for easy installation. Server direct printing and Ethernet connections eliminate the need to add a printer when dealing with online orders. An IPX2 equivalent rating provides a level of splash resistance ideal for use where exposure to water is likely. And the simple, smooth surface design makes it easy to clean. Previous models are only equipped with a single language font. The multi-language model with UTF-8 support is compatible with fonts for all languages. This interchangeability allows for optimal use of your printer inventory. The TM Utility app for mobile simplifies connections with QR code scanning. This makes all printer settings available and allows them to be copied to another printer. The config and swap features are possible without the use of a PC. The flexibility of this high-speed POS printer is sure to transform the way you do business. TM-T88VII. Epson.